Hi everybody, I'm showing you this magic trick because, this is how you do the trick that I did the last time where I spin the card in the air and it started floating. Well, this is how you do it. You can buy this stuff. This is nylon or invisible spider web string. Then you're going to get it like that little piece. Then you're just going to thread a little tiny piece out. Can't see it. And you thread that little piece out. And then you're going to get some tape and put it on that one piece of thread. And then you can buy some wax, or you can just get some wax from the magic store, or get some wax from candles or something, but a new candle because you don't want to get started on the new one. Okay, and then once you get that wax, you're going to get a card. Where's my card? You're going to use a card. Okay, so now let's get all this stuff ready to go. Get this string. The string will be hard to find if you drop it. It's hard to find. It takes like 30 minutes to find it. You're going to get it as long. Then you're going to set it down on a white table. Not black or brown or anything. White. Get that and set that down. Because if you get a white table, it's easier to see, and you'll have the magic trick down in no time. This stuff is very sticky. This stuff can stick to you and not come off the string. Okay, so now time for the wax. Get the wax and get a little piece off. And you put it on one end of the string, like so. To prove that there's invisible string, yeah, there you go. Going to get it, stick it to the back of your card, like so. Hey, where'd it go? Be careful if it falls off, because it might will. But you guys can do it, no matter of time. Okay, let's get this wax, because mine just fell off. Get this. Put that on. Get the card, put that on. Now time for the tape. Hey, where'd it go? Okay, here's my tape. You're actually going to need a little piece. You can get a small piece, get that end of the string, and put it on. Then you're going to put it behind your ear. No one can see it. And there you go. Time for the magic. Then you set it down. There you go. That's how you do the trick. Or you can just do this. But it's going to make it look like you're just holding it. And you can make it slide off your hand. or balance on your hand. So there you go. That's how you do it. For pistachio something. See you later.